Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about the conditions, right? So every programming language basically contains some kind of conditions which contain the keywords like if, else, or else if, right? So let's start with what is condition first. So as you have seen in your day-to-day life, right? If there is rainy season, there is raining, right? Then you would not go to college. Okay. So in case if no rain, then you will not go to college. Or if it's raining, then actually you will enjoy at your home, right? Watching whatever you like. A similar way, Python provides the implementation of these kind of things, right? So if this condition is going to be true, right? So the condition, okay. So condition is going to be true, then execute the block of code there. Else this block of code, right? And there is one other word else if is also available. So if there are more than two conditions, right? So you can use else if, then else, right? So we will looking with an example about these things. What we have to do is we have to check the number. Suppose there are three numbers are given, and you have to find the which number is greater, right? So yes, you can read about it here. I have wrote, and I will providing the link of this page in description, right? So you can see here there are the logical operation that are used. So equals, not equals, less than, less than equal, less than equal, greater than, or greater than equal. So these are the logical statement which is used for evaluation of a statement, right? And for example, you can see here if is 22 and p is 100. So if b is greater than a, then b is greater than a. You have to print that word, right? And you can read about these things. It's pretty interesting, right? So I'm not going to demonstrate about these things now, but look at this simple thing. Suppose a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4, right? And c, okay, don't make it complicated, just it's simple word. And so if a is greater than b, in that case, okay. And one thing you must have to remember that this semicolon, otherwise you will be maybe going to get error. And semicolon and indentation, these things are more important. You must have to remember. So if print A, right? Or you can say that A is greater than B, right? So as you can see here, right? If I just reverse the logical operator here, right? So in that case, okay, you see that there's nothing printed here, but I can add an else statement here. Else print still is greater than b, but actually I just reverse the condition, so you could say that you could print just a simply, right? Don't worry. So you can see that the 5 is printed here, right? So similarly, we can use this concept into solving the real world problem or the complex problems, right? And we'll, in fact, we will be looking about these things in next videos, right? So thanks for watching.